Want to stop living paycheck to paycheck? Well, here are five things that help me turn it around. Come on with me to check them out. Here are five ways I stopped living from paycheck to paycheck. I want to help you do the same. First, I got my bullet points down here, so you're going to be seeing me looking down because I want to make sure I go over every bullet point with you. Okay. Now, number one is you. You are your worst enemy. I don't care what you think or what's on your mind. Believe me, the first step is believing in yourself. Because if you don't believe in yourself, you know, and if you don't take ownership in your own finances, your own future, no one else can help you with that. Okay. So you have to start believing in yourself. That's number one. Yourself. Get out of the way. Stop being your own enemy. Okay. That's number one. Number two, please have realistic goals. Don't sit here and start throwing stuff out into the universe that you know ain't gonna happen. It just ain't gonna happen. So don't BS yourself with some unrealistic goals. Set goals that are doable. Okay, number one, just set them that's doable. Start small. Do not expect to get out of debt. Get out of debt overnight or build wealth overnight. It's not gonna happen. Okay, work towards a realistic milestone. And that's what I did. I worked towards something that was small and it turned into something big and it kept me motivated. So if you put unrealistic goals out there, you're just going to hurt yourself. You're going to go back to number one. You're going to be your worst enemy. So don't be your worst enemy. Always look at everything that you're trying to do and go from there. All right. Here's number three. Number three, and this is the one that a lot of people don't want to talk about. Number three is people. The people you hang around can be good or bad for you. So if you want to make something better happen for yourself, and I'm not saying kick people to the curb, but sometimes you have to. Sometimes you have to let go of all those people from your past, pick up people that are new, or keep in your own little small group. Surround yourself with people who support your financial goals. You know, whether it be a mentor, a friend, a true friend, or a community that you join. If you don't put yourself in the right place, the people around you will keep you where you at or take you where they're going. And you don't want to be a follower. You want to be a leader within your own world, all right? Have the right people around you. That will make a big difference, okay? All right, real quick before we go on to number four, I got a question. What would you say has been holding you back? Tell me. I need you to tell me in the comments what has been holding you back because I know that a lot of people come up with excuses. A lot of people, say this or that. I want to know what's really holding you back. Okay. All right. Okay. Here's number four, small steps. Um, don't try to do it, everything at once. I mean, that's what we always trip ourselves up. We try to jump out there. We want that instant satisfaction, and it don't work like that all the time. You have to take small steps. Okay, focus on taking small steps every day. Get your mind right. Start focusing on small steps every day, whether it's saving a little extra out of your paycheck or cutting back on small expenses, every little bit counts. Okay. Now, that segues me into number five, mindset. Mindset, man, 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 man. Developing a positive money mindset is hard. It really is, because you already getting up every morning, going to a job. Some of it we don't even care to go to. We're listening to everything somebody else is telling us. So that's putting us in a bad mood. So you got to change your mindset to a more positive money mindset. Okay. It's not just about the numbers. It really isn't. It's about how you think about money and how you manage it every day. You see what I'm saying? You don't worry about that you got $1,000 because if you got $1,000 and you don't manage it right, what that $1,000 mean? Because you're just going to give it away. Okay. So you have to focus and change your mindset, your money mindset. All right. All right. Now, that's all I wanted to come at you today with was those five things that help me stop living from paycheck to paycheck. So, with that being said, can you tell me which one of these tips you think you're going to focus on first? Tell me. I would like to know out of these 5 tips, what do you plan on working on first? Drop a comment below. Let me know. Let's get this community going. Let's start the conversation because that's what it's all about. It's about me helping you, you helping me, and we helping everybody around us. So I'm new to this, but I'm true to this. Okay. I am a financial coach and I live the life. You know what I'm saying? I've been there. So remember this. You don't have to be perfect to start. You don't. Like, well, what is it? Nike slogan? Just do it. Just do it. That's all you got to do. All right. And like I say in all my videos, and I hope you start following me and I hope you start commenting because we got to get this engagement up and we got to get people, all of ourselves on the right track. And this is my slogan that I want you to think about. I live the life. I do the research. You just got to follow. Hey, I'm Gary B, aka Uncle G, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.